Hi guys, and welcome back to another closed stitch video. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make the crossed single double crochet. For this swatch I'm going to chain 15, but for your project make sure that you chain a multiple of 2 plus 3 for turning. Now I've completed my 15 chains, I'm going to go into the 4th chain from the hook with a single crochet. Now I'm going to make a double crochet, but I'm going to be going backwards into this stitch that I skipped at the beginning. So yarn over and prepare to make a double crochet into that skipped stitch. It's a little bit tricky on this first row, but just take your time and make a double crochet right there. So now what we're going to do is skip one and into the next make a single crochet, and then going backwards into our skipped stitch make a double crochet, and you're going to continue this until you have one stitch remaining. I'm now at the end of the row and I have one stitch remaining, and I'm going to put a half double crochet into the very last stitch. And that's the end of row 1. You can already start to see the crossed pattern forming. Let's move on to row 2. To start row 2, chain 2 and turn your work. This chain 2 counts as your first stitch, your first half double crochet. We're going to skip the first stitch And into the next stitch, we're going to make a single crochet on top of the single crochet from the row below. And into our skipped stitch, we're going to place a double crochet. So we're repeating the same pattern that we did on row 1, where we skip a stitch, place a single crochet into the next, and place a double crochet into that skipped stitch, and continue this pattern until you have 1 stitch remaining. Now I'm at my final stitch, and I'll put a half double crochet into this last stitch of row 2. And that's row 2 completed. Now to continue with this pattern, you just have to keep on repeating row 2. I'll come back when I've completed a few more rows. Here's what my work looks like after completing a few more rows, and you can clearly see this textured crisscross pattern, perfect for making garments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time.